Hi guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you guys on my channel once again. And on this channel, I teach people how they can make money online. And if you're looking for ways in which you can make money by using your smartphone, then this is definitely the right channel for you. And I also share information like work from home opportunity that is going to help you to make passive income for yourself. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I can make $17 per hour working on Remotasks. All right, guys, here is my LinkedIn app. And for those of you who have not downloaded the app, if you have a Google Play Store, kindly go over to your Google Play Store and type LinkedIn app, all right? Or if you are using an iOS phone, kindly go over to your iOS app and download the LinkedIn app, all right? It will give you access to this information I'm going to be sharing, all right? So for those of you who are coming across this app for the first time, this is LinkedIn application, which enables you to get job updates each and every time you sign up on the app, right? As I've often shared how you can get updates on LinkedIn app. And one of the things I also learned about this LinkedIn app is that it will give you opportunity to get connections from this app, all right? So we have different professionals in different fields like tech, science, and so forth that you can give you access to get job connections on this app. Also, different companies share job updates daily on their LinkedIn page, all right? So you have opportunity to sign up on this app and get those information on your app, right? So in today's video, I said we are going to be looking at how we can get jobs on Remotasks. So let me head right on. So you're going to type Remotasks. So it's a company that offer remote job opportunities. So because I've signed up, you can see I click on following. So that's why you're seeing so you're going to click on the Remotasks. So once you open to the page, you can see tasks on our platform helps accelerate the development of AI application. Take an exam, do a task, and get paid. So that is what Remotasks is all about. So how do you get those jobs? You go over and click on jobs. All right. So once you get to this stage, you can see over here, you can see different jobs. So we are going to click one of the jobs. All right, you can see this job is for Nigerians, AI training for Igbo writers. So if you're watching this video and you have this skill or you have this language as an Igbo writer, kindly go over and sign up and register and start working for Remotasks. So what will you be doing on this tasks? You work on various writing in Igbo projects to train generative AI models. Some examples of the project you might work on is rank a series of responses that were produced by an AI model. Based on a given topic, write a short story about the topics. Assess whether a piece of text produced by an AI model is factually accurate or not. So that is just what you are going to be doing on this task, all right? And how much are you being paid? You are being paid $17 per hour working as an AI training for Igbo writers. So if this sounds like a good opportunity for you and you're a Nigerian, then this is the right job that you can apply and start working. And as I'm doing this video, this job was posted just 2 days ago, so you can easily take advantage of this opportunity, all right? So the next one I'm going to be highlighting is called robotic data collection, quality assurance, get paid to help improve AI. All right. So most of all these jobs are just how you can improve AI. We all know that people always go into the internet to search for information that is going to help them to either get valuable information about how to do tasks. And so most jobs are being offered on different companies to help AI do most of all these tasks. And we all know that all this information are profitable. It can be health information. It can be how to do stuffs online. All right, so you have opportunity to perform these tasks. Some of them are prompts related tasks, some of them are caption related tasks, some of them are video related tasks. So you have opportunity to get started. All right, so this job is a robotic data collection task, and they are currently hiring in Mexico. Right, so how do you get started? You click on show more. You can see the responsibility. You can go through it. Most of them are related AI works. And what are the preferred qualification? They say no prior experience needed. So you don't need to have much experience needed. And availability to work a minimum of $30 to $40 and 30 to 40 hours per week. Wow. So this is very interesting. So you have option to work for 30 to 40 hours per week. So if you're in Mexico and you're watching this video, kindly go over and register for this tax. All right. And as you are watching this video, this information was posted 3 days ago, right? So the next one I'm going to be highlighting is video content description specialist, expertise sought for AI training. So most of all these tasks are remote tasks, and some can be full-time. All right, so you can see Metro Manila, that's the location of this job. And also you can click on show more to see what you are going to be performing on this task. You can see assessing the factuality and relevance of domain specific text produced by AI. So those are one of the tasks you're going to be performing. And what are the example of desirable expertise? A bachelor or higher degree in video content description or related subjects, experience working as a video content description professional. So if you have this skill, then you are good to go. How much does this skill pays? It pays between $9 to $16 per hour, right? So if you have this expertise, kindly go over and register as a video content description specialist, expertise sought for AI training. So, and this job was posted 2 days ago. All right, so the last one I'm going to be the second to the last I'm going to be highlighting is called Treats Intel, the trainer make your own hours. All right, so this job is available for those who are living in the United States. And you can see the title of the job is AI Response Evaluator for Cybersecurity Threat Intelligence. So what are you going to be doing in this job? You can see evaluate AI generated prompt responses for accurate relevance and effectiveness in context of cyber security threat intelligence. So most of the tasks you'll be performing here is helping the AI to generate information that are threats to what artificial intelligence. All right, so let's go over to how. So these are the requirements: analyzing, triggering, and responding to cybersecurity incidents and investigation, particularly in response to recent vulnerability. So just go over to the required experience, and you have opportunity to register on this tax. All right, so you say tax-based contract, make your own hours, 5 hours per week is the minimum. All right, so that is what, and this job is posted 2 days ago. Right, so you can go over and register. Then lastly, this is a remote job also in Mexico, community manager. You can sign up and register. All right, so and what are the qualifications? Minimum of 2 years experience in community management and preferable in tech related field. All right, so and this job pays $12 per hour. All right, so if this information sounds good for you, kindly go over and sign up. You can either sign up on LinkedIn to click on the apply button, or you can go over to your Google and type the title of the job and the company which is recruiting, which is Remotasks, and you have opportunity to sign up, put in all your information, and you can get started. All right, so thank you guys for staying true to the very end. And if you're yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscription button, turn on the notification bell, and also if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a like. And also I'll be seeing you guys in my next